Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is Tarasmay. My name is Ngọc Chen. My name is Anaga. Uh, now I can it the tickle about Bobby boy. Bobby boy. Hai my name Bobby Iris bird I love in Lisbon in Portugal I thích only at a big school here I can speak Portuguese fluently and German a little but it I love here most today I love the city and go to Sintra.
It's a beautiful old town very near Lisbon. I go with friends and we usually go horse riding or walking in the lovely countryside. Sometimes we go surfing too. The beach are amazing. All my Portuguese friends can surf really well. I can surf very well, so I sunbird. I love the beach here. On Sunday night, we sometimes go to Fado restaurant. It's traditional Portuguese music.
I love it can now sing Fado quite well, but I can play the guitar. Sunday is also the day for Sado here, Sada grill, sighting in English, my friend. Always cook delicious sardine with hot. I can cook at all, but I sometimes make Irish coffee for my friend. Coffee, whiskey, and cream. They love it. It's my soda ice.